Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Good morning, happy Friday. What we're going to be showing you today is a smoothie that we make 5 days a week. This is what we drink every single morning for breakfast and we love it. We've been doing it for almost 3 years and I'm going to share it with you. So what we have here is grapes, spinach, and kale. They're all frozen. We have frozen banana sliced up with the peel still on it, avocado, green tea that's been chilled that we make the night before, ginger root, turmeric, and some pepper. Okay, and then our ninja, and we got some flax and chia seed here. So here's what we do. We put 2 bananas in each one. Okay, 5 grapes, ooh, that sound like marbles. Okay, and these, of course, we prep these ahead of time. All the bananas, grapes, everything all has been washed. We don't like adding ice to our smoothies, so we freeze everything. And except for the avocado, we freeze everything. We chill the tea. That way, when we're blending it up in the Ninja, that it blends nice and smooth, and we don't have those ice crystals usually. So we're going to put a cup of frozen spinach. Okay. Like so. Now we've been doing this so long that we don't measure out the spinach and the kale, but I'm just showing you. Basically, after we put the bananas and the grapes in, we're just filling the void. Now on the spinach, on the kale, you want to pull, see that stem, the rib, you want to make sure you're pulling those off. That way it's not so bitter. So if you're looking at your kale, because I'm not a big fan of kale, but because it's bitter to me, but I will drink it in a smoothie. So, but we do pull the ribs or the stems, whatever you want to call them, off if we see a bunch of them. And like I said, we've prepped this kale ahead of time. And if we get the spinach and it has the stems are a little too long on the spinach, we'll pull those off too. Okay, now the avocado. Or before the avocado, sorry guys, let's put the chia and flax seed in. Okay, I know it says flax seed here if you guys are watching the video, but this is flax seed and chia seed that's ground and mixed, and we mix it up ahead of time. And then we just have this little scooper, and we put 1 scoop and the other scoop on top. There we go. Seal that back up. Okay, then we'll put the avocado in. Put the other avocado in. Okay. Ooh, our cup's getting nice and full. Wash this off my hands. Spill it everywhere. Guess I'm not awake yet. Okay. Now, for the ginger root. We just pull the little capsules apart. Come on. I guess you could just take this capsule, but we do it this way and blend it up, and make sure we're taking it, and then I guess we don't have to worry about these little capsules digesting either. Okay, and the other capsule. Okay, now mine is done. Now for Pam's, we put a little pepper, help get that metabolism going. Now if you're susceptible, if you get acid reflux real easy, I don't recommend this because I've done it, and yeah, it gave me heartburn pretty bad. This is turmeric that we put in here on Pam's other one. So if you have no problem with heartburn, then you can go ahead and put those in there if you like, to add the added health benefits. Okay, now we have the green tea. Like I said, we brew the green tea ahead of time. Now I put 1 cup of green tea and we chilled it. I'll put that in there. Put this in there. We've been doing this so long that we have this down to a science. And like I said, we do this every single morning. This is our little green smoothie shake. Okay, put the lid on. And I guess this is where, if you want to mute your mic, you might want to while I blend this. Okay, first one's done. I'll show you this. There you go. You see that? Nice and smooth, nice and creamy, and we drink this every single morning. Cheers. Not bad. You do get used to it. All right, guys, you have a good morning. Thanks for watching the show. Appreciate it. Bye.